Izmir Clock Tower, the beating heart of the city. Right in the heart of Izmir's Konak Square stands a masterpiece that has watched the city for more than a century, the Izmir Clock Tower. Built in 1901, it was a gift to the city in honor of Sultan Abdulhamid II, his 25th year on the throne. The tower was designed by French architect Raymond Charles Péré, and the clock itself, a true symbol of friendship, was sent by Emperor Wilhelm II of Germany. With its 25 meters of height, elegant arches, and detailed stone carvings, the tower beautifully blends Ottoman grace with European style. Every curve, every pattern tells a story of art, time, and the spirit of Izmir. When the sun sets over the Aegean Sea, the golden light wraps around the tower like a memory that never fades. It's a place where locals meet, where travelers pause, and where generations have taken their photos beneath its timeless shadow. And just beside it, almost whispering in harmony, stands the Konak Mosque, also known as the Yalı Mosque. Built in the 18th century, it's small but full of beauty. Covered in blue Iznik tiles, a peaceful corner of prayer and reflection amidst the city's rhythm. All around, pigeons fill the sky, circling the tower as if dancing with time. Their wings catch the light, their gentle coos echo between the stone walls. A reminder that even in the rush of life, there's always calm here. As the clock chimes and the breeze from the sea moves through Konak Square, you can feel something deeper. A sense that time doesn't just pass here, it lives here. A symbol of memory, peace, and the endless beauty of Izmir. The Izmir Clock Tower isn't just a landmark, it's the heart of the city.